Bye-bye, baby. Time for a C8. Yes, sir. I'm gonna miss you, though. Bye.
Yo. What's going on, guys? Man, it's been a minute. It's been a minute since I posted. About to get back into it. But, it's COVID-19 has slowed everything down, man. Haven't posted since we left Texas 2K, man. So, finally getting back into the thick of things, man. Getting some things going. Want to give you guys an update on what's going on with the car. Did I keep it? Did I sell it to get a C8? I mean, you guys just gonna have to wait and find out. Drop your comments down below what you guys think. Do you think I sold the C7, the Z06 to get a C8? Would you guys do it? Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, man. But yeah, I got some special treat for you guys today, man. Yeah, we got some parts in, man. It could be for the C7 Zo6, could be for the C8. Just gotta wait and see. We're gonna see what we got right here, man. Oh, got two boxes right here. I want y'all to guess what y'all think is in these boxes, man. What do y'all think is in these boxes? What could it be? Could it be exhaust for the C8? Could it be turbos for the C8? You never know, man. Gotta open this thing up and see, man. Or could it be, could it be something for the Z06, So yeah, let's get to it. Open this box up. We're gonna see what we got right here. Alrighty. Kinda hard to do this thing with one hand, but we're gonna get to it best way we can. Yeah, let's see what we got in this box here. Let's see what we got. Oh! Looks like box. Chill out. Looks like we got some wheels right here, man. Looks like we got some wheels. We see that wheel engineering performance. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh. I see that there, man. Oh. Got some nice little wheels there, man. What you guys think? How you think these would look on the C8? Or, how would they look on the Z? These are front runners, so, these are front runners. I do have bead locks. I don't have them here with me. They're at the shop. But yes, sir. Smack brand new, Smack brand new. Yes, sir. Well, got my little center cap. Forged, wheel racing. Yes, sir. Nothing but the best. Nothing but the best, man. Nothing but the best. Yeah, man. So, of course, it's basically the same thing. Yeah, got those wheels, man. Got them ready, man. So, whether it's the Z06, the C7 Z06, or the C8, I already got some front runners. I already got the bead locks. Let me get y'all a couple of pictures, a couple of shots of the bead locks also. I'm gonna insert them somewhere in the video. What else? Yeah, also, guys, I do have a Texas Speed high flow X pipe, part of a high flow X pipe that I will be giving away. Will be a giveaway. It will consist of whoever can bring the most traffic to my channel. So I just say you can bring 10 of your friends, and then comment down below. Just say if your name was Greg. Have them to say, well, I'm with Greg, and Greg got me to subscribe to your channel. Whoever gets the most people to come to the channel, because we on the push to get to 1,000. Whoever gets the most people to get to the channel, I will ship this out to you guys. Pretty nice part. This part alone, I think the high flow Texas Speed Cat is like 320, something like that. 320 all along. It's in pretty good shape also, man. Pretty good shape. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. high flow. Sir, I don't know if y'all can see down in there, but so if any of you guys interested in that, you know, go ahead and bring some traffic to your boy's channel, man. You know, we will start doing these giveaways. You know, the more the channel grows, the more I will give away to you guys. You know, just to show you guys appreciation and show you my gratitude for y'all. You know, sticking with me and helping me grow this channel. You know, we're trying to do it. We're trying to do it up, man. These last few months, well, since March, it's been kind of hectic with the COVID-19 and the pandemic going on. So I've been working so much. I am an engineer. I'm an engineer, so I've been working so much that I haven't had time to record any videos, give updates or anything. But you know, as things slowly get back, well, basically to the new normal of what we're used to, I'll get back in the flow of car things, and hopefully I have a car for you guys pretty soon. Whether it's the C7 Zo6 with a crazy, out of this world, stupid build, or if it's the C8 and we throw wheels on it, throw exhaust on it. Everybody's doing turbos. I would love to put a big pro charge on it. So, I mean, if I were to get the car, I would love to put a big pro charge on it, because nobody's done that. Everybody's doing twin turbos on it, or they're doing a shot of nitrous. I would like to probably be the first one with a pro charger. So let me see. Send them a couple of emails, or maybe even give them a call and see, or we can get some progress on that and get a pro charge for the C8, man. That's what I end up getting. Also, my garage is a mess. I got all type of stuff. All type of stuff. If anybody needs some stock manifolds for a C7, I have those for sale. Also, stock X pipe, skid plate. What else? Also have C7 Zo6 wheels for sale, front and back. Hit me up, message me if you're interested. I got you. I know a lot of people are trying to get these wheels, so if you're interested, or if you know anyone interested, just let me know. These are 20s, of course. These are 20s, and the fronts are 19s. So if you guys are interested, like I said, just let me know. But yeah, guys, we got these wheels here. Pretty excited. Pretty excited about the direction we're going. Whether it's the C7 Zo6 with a crazy, stupid, out of this world build, or if I get the C8, and C8 gets here, and we do a crazy, stupid build with it. I'm just pretty excited, man. I'm happy things are kind of getting back to what I guess the new normal is for us, like I said. But I'll take what I can get. I've been working. I've basically worked every day since the pandemic started. So I haven't got a chance to really do anything, really nothing at all. But like I said, guys, we're gonna close this video out. Giveaway coming soon for this Texas Speed high flow catted X pipe. If you guys know anybody interested, if you guys are interested, if you just want to help the channel, try and bring as much traffic to the channel and help me get as many subscribers as I can to help me get to that 1,000. Whoever brings in the most subscribers, have them tag your name in the comment section below, so we can tally up and see who brings the most traffic to the channel. And I will, send this out, ship this out to you, no problem at all. Get all your information, ship it out to you, and we can get you a nice X pipe for free. Like I said, everything else, the wheels, they'll be for sale. If anybody needs this stock stuff, I got a couple of stock parts over there, stock manifolds, and I think that's pretty much it, man. So just want to give you guys an update and let you know I'm very, very excited about what's to come in the future. got a few things coming up. We're gonna be hitting, once I get the car, whether I get the C7 Zo6 back or the car, we'll be hitting, we're gonna try to hit every car event, street car takeover, a lot of track events. Of course, Texas 2K again, man. Hopefully this next year coming up, that the cops are man, nowhere near as bad as they have been the last 2 or 3 years. Yeah, we got some big things in motion, man. You guys are gonna see. I think you guys are gonna love the new. I mean, whatever build I do, I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna love, because I'm going out with that, whatever build that I put together. But like I said, guys, gonna catch you guys on the next video. I appreciate you guys for all the support. Y'all be safe out there during this crazy time with the COVID-19, the pandemic going on. And we're gonna catch you guys on the next video. Peace.